before you start learning about the question types, the paragraph structure for each, the expressions you should use, you just need to stop for a second and ask yourself, what am I expected to do in IELTS writing? The thing is that you may have been going to English classes or even at university or school. You've been asked several times to write essays or writings. Then you were evaluated based on some general criteria and got it done. But let me tell you something. You can follow the same instructions as those places and have a perfect command of English, and then get a 6 in IELTS writing. Yes, it happens all the time. We have had so many candidates, some native ones, who are capped at 6 or 6.5. So, what we understand here is that you should exactly know based on what criteria you'll be evaluated in IELTS writing, and then focus on those. The biggest problem is not vocabulary or grammar. It is bad writing style, which can lower your score in task response and coherence and cohesion criteria. You need to write your writing in different paragraphs in a way that they are logical and easy to follow. There are 4 criteria in IELTS writing in little details. One of them, the very first one, is your task response. It means that if you're asked a question, you should fully answer it. Don't be in a rush to read the question in 5 seconds and then start writing. What you write means nothing if you haven't taken your time to read the question carefully and if you have not brainstormed. Oh, that is also the next level. After you understand what you should write about, before you start writing, think. Think about what you want to say. You can even write your ideas on the question papers so that you have a plan when you are writing the task. This all helps you with task response. Now, let me give you an example to get it better. Okay, here we have a task 2 question. The question statement says, nowadays, the way many people interact with each other has changed because of technology. Now, here are the questions we should elaborate on. The first question says, in what ways has technology affected the types of relationships people make? The second question says, has this become a positive or negative development? First, as you look at the question statement, you should understand it really well. Then you identify the question type. Is it an opinion question, problem solution, discussion, or what is it? This is actually a double question, as we have 2 separate direct questions about the topic. So, once you realize it, you should remember the paragraph structure. In double question,